Guys, hi, this is Mandar, and I am going to talk about how stock markets work. So, there are two ways of investing in the stock market or the share market. There is a primary market and there is a secondary market, right? The primary market is where you're purchasing the stocks or shares directly from the issuer, right? That is known as the primary market. So when a company makes its newly issued stocks or securities in the market, it is known as an IPO or an initial public offering. Now companies do IPOs for multiple reasons, but most importantly they do it when they require funds for the long term, right? So they issue shares to public and they raise capital. Subsequent issue of shares are known as public offerings, right? So the first time they are issuing fresh shares, they are known as IPOs or initial public offerings, and subsequently if they issue other shares, they are known as public offerings. So the secondary market is once the shares are issued, they can be bought back, right, and sold or exchanged between buyers and sellers, right? The secondary markets is where most of the traders are active, right? So two examples of stock exchanges in India: the NSE, National Stock Exchange, and the BSE, the Bombay Stock Exchange. These are the two secondary markets for buying and selling stocks online, right? So stock exchanges facilitate essentially the trading of shares between buyers and sellers at a common platform, right? So they work as a marketplace, similar to what you would see on Flipkart or Amazon, right? So which is a marketplace and they have sellers and buyers of goods, right? Similarly, a stock exchange is also a marketplace where there are sellers and buyers of stocks of different companies. Now, uh, when stocks are traded on a secondary market or at the stock exchanges, the buyers and sellers will agree on a specific price to either buy or sell the shares, right? So they will put in a bid price whether they want to buy, or they will put in a sell price if they want to sell the share, right? And if there is a buyer who is willing to buy it at that price or a seller who is willing to sell it at that price, an exchange happens, right? And that's how you either get or you sell your shares, right? Now the price of the stock also depends on demand and supply, right? Which in turn depends on the performance of the company. If the company is doing really good, then the stock is in demand, right? So the price for the stock usually goes up, right? If the company is not doing well, if the performance is bad, right, then the stock price falls, right? Because no one is ready to buy that stock, right? So just to summarize how stock market works, there is a primary market and a secondary market, right? The primary market is where the company is allocating shares to equity investors, right, uh, through an IPO known as initial public offering. And once these equity investors have shares, the shares can be traded on a secondary market, right? So subsequent share offerings, where again there are investors and they will put in cash to buy shares, and they can exchange these shares, right? So they can either buy or sell shares on a stock exchange, something similar to what happens on a national stock exchange or the Bombay Stock Exchange. I hope you like this video. If you are an active trader in stock markets, please comment below and let us know that you're actively trading on the stock markets. If you are not, then I would advise you to go through the entire course and understand how stock markets work and how you can start trading on stock markets. Have a good day.